Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because in this video we begin our Christmas in July Christmas series for 2022. Yay! I'm so excited because this year Christmas is going to be big here at Ramon at Home. So to get us started and to get inspiring you guys, I'm going to be dropping a few Christmas in July videos on this channel, so be sure to ring your notification bell on so you are notified about those Christmas in July videos. And now I want to take a second to thank the members, the new members for the month of June. I want to honor you guys with a shout out, and that was Dean Tulu, Elena Kopelkoff, Patricia Cook, Rishi J, Lucia Geese, Linda Shames, Rebecca Shaw, Lynn Bisbee, and Sharia Johnson. Thank you, yay, for becoming a new member and for claiming your badge. So if you want to become a new member, you can click on the join button somewhere on the screen, or there's going to be a link down below. That way you can also claim your little badge and claim the perks exclusive for members. It is so much fun. All right, you guys, well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to select the perfect ribbon and how to put a theme together for your Christmas tree 2022. And for that, we're gonna take a small road trip to Shinoda Design Center, where they have the best selection of Christmas ribbons for your Christmas decorating 2022. Let's watch. Hi you guys, so we have arrived to Shinoda Design Center and we are gonna go inside and pull some looks for the Christmas season 2022. I'm super excited because this year we're gonna be working in collaboration with them. We're gonna do some of their end caps and you guys are gonna be able to come into Shinoda and see my work in person. So it's gonna be so much fun. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Alright everyone, so now I'm gonna walk you through the process on how I pull a theme together for Christmas 2022. I already have done two, a black, white, and silver one, and then also a red, white, and gold? Red, green, and white that I will show you later on, but right now I'm gonna show you the process. It starts with a ribbon. Okay, so as you guys can see, the selection here, I should know that a ribbon, it is just so good. But the way that I do it is I have to focus on just one ribbon. So for this theme, I'm gonna go for a candy cane theme. And there's this one right here that I like. It is a wire ribbon. Actually, it's not a wire. This one is wired. It says con alambre. That means with a wire. I like the width, but I think that to do a statement ribbon, you have to do a thicker one or a wider one. So I'm gonna go over here. I see right here even more red, a selection of red, and I already see the one that I like. This right here, it's perfect for the candy cane theme. It has glitter, it has a stripe that I'm looking for, and it is so pretty. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna find a contrasting, and I think for a contrasting one, I'm gonna look for a silver one, so stay tuned. These are the ribbons that I've selected so far. I got a silver mesh. I always like to use a mesh ribbon when I'm designing a tree. I also got this one that is more like a see-through silver with a flake. I think it is really pretty and it really complements the ribbon. Now I also got this mesh right here, which has a wider mesh, and it is so pretty and it complements the red that I selected for the candy cane theme. Now I want to mention one thing. As you guys can see, all of the ribbons here look, let me move this one over here. They're all about the same width. So what I have to do is I have to find this mesh on this width because there has to be some variation on the width so your tree looks absolutely fantastic. Let me look for one and I'll be right back to show you what I'm talking about. So I found this mesh right here, and as you guys can see, it's a waffle mesh versus this one right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out and I'm gonna put this one closer to that. But now I have a problem that I have two mesh ribbons. So now I have to find a replacement for this one right here that is not a mesh, it's still a red with glitter. So let me look for that and I'll find it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I found this one right here. I love it because it has the same square waffle as the mesh right here, but this one is a solid fabric with a print. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this one out and I'm gonna put the red one back in, And as you guys can see, the widths now are different. We have our statement ribbon, which is going to be the candy cane one. We have a contrasting one that is going to go on the back. And now we have this silver mesh that is going to be our added color. So now that this is done, I'm gonna look for ornaments and picks, and I'll take you along. Okay, so now that we've selected all of our Christmas ribbons, different widths, different textures, different patterns to make a statement, I'm gonna show you how to select the rest of the items that are going to complete our Christmas theme for our Christmas tree 2022. This is so much fun. It is my favorite part to come up with the ideas, to put it all together and to share with you. So I really hope that you enjoy this part. Let's watch. Okay, so I'm looking for picks. I'm gonna start with the picks, and I found this pick with a bow right here that has a stripe. But then I also found these packages that are on the same color scheme, but it's more like a check with a little bow topper. And this one is a pick that has two packages, and this is a pick that it has about 8 little bows. So I think those are perfect for the theme of silver and candy cane, and I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, so the card's taking form, and I found these cute little ornaments. They are also on the same family of red with white, and I love the shape. These are going to be more like our teardrops. And then also I found these candy canes that are super cute in two different shapes, and I just love the little glitter in it. And as you guys can see, the bow, it kind of matches the squares right here. I also found this pick that has 3 little balls, and then also these fabulous ornaments that are striped with candy canes that are super cute as well. I'm gonna continue looking, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I want to show you a few of the ornaments we'll be using. And I found these beautiful icicles. They are covered in glitter, and those will be perfect for it. And what we're gonna use is some shiny red big balls, like this one right here. It has a shine to it, and then also a matte. If you follow the channel, you know that I like to use a combination between matte and then also shiny. And look at these ornaments, you guys. These are all glass, and of course they're gonna have to be wired. But look how beautiful this is for this theme. It is a more contemporary look. And then these iridescent bulbs right here are going to be absolutely stunning on it too. I cannot wait for you guys to see all of this. Okay, so this is the last thing I'll show you, but look how beautiful these ornaments are. They are like a sweater, and they come in 2 different ways. I love it. And this, the reason why I love it so much is because it really represents the sweater texture on this guy right here. So as you guys can see, it's coming along together, and I cannot wait. All right, so now that we've selected our Christmas ornaments and all of the picks and other things that are going to go into our Christmas tree this year, I'm gonna share with you a little sneak peek of what is coming down the pipeline for Christmas 2022. Yay, I'm so excited. Let's watch. All right, so I wanna show you real quick. Once I gather all the materials, then you should know that the Science Center does put them on boxes like this. So we're gonna be using some of these flocked picks, some really beautiful silver. Look at all the ornaments, and they are so kind that they put the name of the channel there because they know that I'll be working with them. There's some glittery picks and some other things that we're gonna be putting in this tree. So I just wanted to show you. Oh, I wanna show you also these poinsettias right here. They're so pretty. I'll share with you on the tree, but look at this one right here as well. And look, you guys, this is all Christmas and fall stuff. Can you believe that? Also, I wanna show you on this other cart. It's a black and white theme that I selected. There's going to be so beautiful. You can see right here some of the ornaments, some of the ribbons that we're gonna be using, some of the picks, poinsettias. We're gonna be using a lot of black and white. This is gonna go on a white tree. So all of this is going to be so much fun. Well, you know I cannot show you much, plus it's really early in the year. However, I want you to see a really quick sneak peek of one of the looks you're gonna be seeing at Shinoda Design Center this year. And look at this special character. I'm super excited to show you guys the whole process of how to decorate this tree coming up soon. Stay tuned. Well, you guys, this is how I put together a Christmas theme for 2022 with ribbons, ornaments, picks, and all of the items. They are necessary for a beautiful designer Christmas tree. I really hope you enjoyed this video and how to select the proper ribbons for your Christmas tree. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to take a second one more time to invite you, number one, to join me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are down below. Also, to become a new member and to thank the new members for the month of June. Thank you guys. Your contribution really does help us create better videos for everybody here on the channel. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. I cannot wait to come back with more Christmas decorating ideas. So be sure to turn the notification bell on. Consider subscribing. You can watch more videos right now. Until next time. Bye.